the most employable skill sets of the next decade. What are they? Because I'm working out with Google on their DeepMind project, which is their AI robot. And I said to the lead engineer, I said, well, how the hell am I going to compete with this? And she goes, well, with the things that will be hardest for her to program. I said, well, what are those? She goes, well, you were born with all of them. Creativity, you used to play with the box, not the toy. Curiosity, you used to ask why again. Imagination, right? Empathy and intuition. We're born with all five. And then what happens? We go to school, and the first thing our first grade teacher tells us to do, just as you said, is don't forget to colour in between the lines. Our imagination and creativity is shot down by the age of 6, and then they tell us to stop asking why, because there's only one right answer. So I thought, okay, I intuitively believed what you had said, but I wanted to prove it to myself. So I went to Yale University up here north of New York, and I had 3,000 university students, all between the ages of 18 and 24. And I brought in one first grade class of 36-year-olds with their teacher. I sat them right in the middle. I said, right, hands up, who's creative? Me. Didn't hesitate. And the other 3,000 hands stayed down, as they always do. And yet here comes AI, right? It's going to take away so much of what we as humans can do. But we shouldn't be frightened of AI. You can be frightened of man's stupidity, but I wouldn't worry about AI. The number one barrier when I ask people what gets in the way of being more innovative and creative work, number one response, I don't have time to think. Well, what do you think AI is about to give you?